Are now becoming a big story out there. This is ushering in some cool, dry air from across the lakes. Here's a live look, and you can see out toward North Avenue Beach and some other beaches near Lincoln Park. We do have some waves piling up on the shore on an otherwise very pleasant day today. Current wind gusts, they're a little bit problematic all across the area. Bad hair day conditions from Chicago out to Kane County. Midway, 36-mile-per-hour gusts, 35 miles per hour in Joliet. Out toward Kane County, we're starting to approach 40 miles an hour, and the winds will stay up like this through at least mid-afternoon. Water temperatures in the 50s and winds coming off the lake. That means air temperatures in the 50s, 53 in the Loop and Midway, 55 degrees down in Morris. The bigger scale picture is showing that these dry east winds are coming in as promised on the north side of a low pressure to our south. So we're continuing to break out the sunshine while our friends to the south down in Memphis are getting soaked. This storm system is only moving farther away from us though. So let's talk about when the next rain chance here does develop. It's from another Clipper system that's moving our way from Canada Friday into Saturday. Halloween, of course, on Friday, but on Saturday, it's looking like our rain chance is increasing. If this low pressure moves just to our southwest, that'll pull in winds off the lake and possibly set up the conditions for lake effect rain showers. The rain chances are up now on Saturday to 30%, but still a very small 10% chance is all we have for Halloween. On Friday evening, if you're out and about with the kids, it will be brisk and breezy, 51 degrees at 5 p.m. The night owls, 45 degrees, closer to 11 o'clock. Overall, not a lot of bad weather this year to plan around. So today's forecast, a little bit cool, 55 degrees, partly cloudy and gusty winds. Overnight tonight, the winds stay breezy, partly cloudy, dry, and a low temperature pretty typical for this time of year at 44 degrees. Let's check out the 7-day forecast, and dry weather continues for the next couple of days before the weekend chance of rain. Very consistent temperatures, 55 today, 55 tomorrow, 54 with a few more clouds, but only a couple sprinkles on Halloween. On Saturday, rain chances are now up, temperatures down to 51 as we change our clocks on Sunday. Beautiful end to the weekend with sunshine and mid-50s, and notice temperatures keep warming up under beautiful sunshine through much of next week.